Hey, this lovely beauty. Oh. I tried to attack the camera. She or he just came running up to me when I decided to take out the trash here, and I think I'm my friend now. Yeah, she's you're a cutie, aren't you? Yeah, sure. It's kind of normal being in a neighborhood, but like the cat coming up to me, not so normal. Who's a good kitty? So this will be a vlog of my neighborhood and maybe a couple cats, I guess you could say. Good kitty. You are. I think I'll name it Charlie because Charlie's like a girl name and a boy name because I don't know the gender. Come here. Come here, who's a good kitty? I think it's a girl. Oh, there she goes. No. You're hitting me with your pillow. Who's a good kitty? Who's a good kitty? But yeah, so this is episode 1, I guess. And, bye.